The project is called HANSONS Endowment, and the acronym is Helping All New Students Obtain Necessary Skills Endowment. And it was actually started by one of my former students, Mark Olson, who now works at Exxon, who I'm really proud of, and he graciously has got this effort started to raise money that somebody in a design faculty position like myself can use this money to give back to students for hands-on projects. If you ask some students who've been out of school for 5 years, what's the thing you remember most about college? It's those hands-on experiences where I was building something in the shop, or I was working on a design project, or an individual research project where we got to build something. And so it costs money to do those projects. Most of the students come from cities and they've never worked with their hands. They've never worked with a saw. They've never worked with a grinder. They've never worked with certainly a milling machine or a lathe. And so they're seeing these things for the first time. And so these experiences are so important to them. And also whenever they go out into industry, and you go to talk to some of these old timers that have been there forever, and they're like, oh, this is just a young engineer, he doesn't know anything. To be able to say, yeah, I know what a lathe is, I know what a mill is, I know how to weld, it gets you instant respect with those people. And so that is another good thing for these students, is just to learn what other people are doing. If you're going to design something and you want somebody to build it, you need to know how to build it yourself. That'll make you a better designer. We'd like to ask for your help. With all of my students that have graduated, and anybody that wants to contribute, just a little amount. If all of us got together, we can fund this fund instantly. And so it means a lot to me. My students mean more to me than anything in the world. So being able to give back to them, being able to give them those experiences that they remembered, is something that I really want to do. And so we need your help. And without your help, we can't do this. And so please give. If one of those experiences here meant something to you, think about the students that are going through now. This gift that you give could last forever. So it's really important, and we really appreciate everybody out there that has helped us over the years, who suggested this. Thanks for people that have put this together, and the students, they thank you a lot too.